everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful decoration very easily at home. All you need for this decoration is paper, crepe paper, wool and a few balloons, and within a few minutes you can make this beautiful decoration very easily at home. You can use this decoration for any Valentine's party, surprise party, anniversary, wedding, birthday party, baby shower or any other occasion. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future uploads. All the decorations on my channel are exclusive, which you can find nowhere else on the internet, so that's reason enough for you to subscribe. For the flowers, we will be needing crepe paper and wool. For each flower, we will be needing 6 squares of 10 by 10 centimeters. I have here 6 squares. I have placed all on top of each other like this. We will take our piece of wool and in the middle we'll tie it and make a knot here. We won't make a single knot, we'll make a double knot so we know it won't move from its place. And all the excess piece that we have here, we'll simply cut it out with scissors. Now we will take this, we will place our thumb here in the middle and we will follow our thumb to make a half circular design. That's the same that we'll be doing on this side. We'll place our thumb here and we will follow our thumb and make a half circular design here. After having done so, we'll open up our flower that we have here like this. Next, I have here 2 red paper, A4 size paper. We'll place these 2 papers on top of each other and we will draw a heart. We'll draw half of a heart. For the next step, we'll be needing 2 pieces of A4 size paper, red color. But before we use that, we'll take normal white paper, also A4, and we will make a small fold like this on it and we will draw a small heart, half size of a heart, small piece. We will cut it out and we will be using this heart as a stencil. We will take the same A4 size paper that we took before, the white paper, and now we will make a smaller size of heart. We will cut this out as well, and now we will be using this white piece of heart that we have as a stencil. We will take red color paper, we will place this heart in the corner, and we will use it as a stencil and we will draw a heart on the red paper. Next we will place double-sided tape on the back side of the heart, and we will place the heart on the wall. Next we'll take double-sided tape and put it on the back side of the flower. Next we'll take wool. The length of our wool will be 40 centimeters. We will take one balloon that we have here, and we will tie our wool on the balloon. We'll make a double knot and secure it there. Next we'll take one balloon, and on the back side we'll put double-sided tape, and we'll paste our balloon here. We will take a second balloon, and we will paste it on the wall with double-sided tape higher than the first balloon. Under here, with a piece of tape, we'll paste the large heart that we have. That's the same that I'm going to do on this side. Next we'll take two pieces of wool, and each piece will be 20 centimeters. Next we'll take two pieces of wool again, and these two pieces will be 35 centimeters. Now we will take two pieces of wool, and each piece will be 45 centimeters in length. Let me know in the comment section below if you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Please don't leave my channel without subscribing, and do check all my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing party decoration ideas to make your occasion special.